So now that we've got our free body diagram, summed our forces, we have equations to use to solve our problem. So let's use those equations. So now we know that doesn't the static friction force equal Fg sine theta? Does that work? And from this equation right here, the normal force, ooh, it's equal to Fg cos theta. How about that? So this shows me that the normal force is not always equal to Fg. On an incline, it changes. Okay, we've done everything flat so far, so it's always good to solve for your normal force. All right, so now let's do some substitutions. What is the equation for the force of static friction that we derived in class? Mu times the normal force, perfect. And the gravitational force we derived in class was what? M times G, I think you told me? Sine theta. Now, let's see. What's the normal force equal to? Can we do another substitution there? It's equal to, oh, Fg. What's Fg? It's equal to mg cos theta. So let's substitute mg cos theta would equal mg sine theta. Is that good? What do I know? I do know the mass. I know theta, but hey, what do you notice it's on both sides of this equation? Get out your favorite lightsaber. Let's go Mace Windu. And look, I can divide by mg on both sides. Zoom, zoom. Gone. Look at this. Mu static. Can I divide by cosine on both sides? So sine of theta over the cosine theta. Sine theta over cosine theta. Is that something? Oh my goodness. So that's really just tan theta? How cool. That is so awesome. So the tan of 23 degrees. So 0.42. And no units because it's a coefficient of friction. And boom. That's it. Does it match what the coefficient of friction should be? There was a range for reasonable coefficients of friction. It has to be has to be greater than 0 but less than 1. So this is good to go. What angle does the crate begin to slide if the mass is doubled? What happened to our mass up here? What did we do to our mass? If I put 2m and 2m, what happens? It gets canceled out anyway. So does the mass even matter? No way. So it's part B is the same angle. Same theta because there's no m up here. M is not in the equation. We canceled it out. How cool is that?